In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Confluence. Let's start by heading to your Confluence site. Once you're in, you'll be working from a blank page that will become your dashboard. Create a new page in the space where your team expects to find it. Give it a clear title like Team Dashboard or Operations Overview, and you're set to begin. A clean title helps people understand the purpose at a glance and makes it easier to search for later. On the blank page, you can add content in two ways. The quickest is to press the slash key on your keyboard to bring up the insert menu. You'll see a list of elements you can drop into the page, such as charts, tables, panels, and more. You can also use the toolbar at the top if you prefer to click through options. Both approaches work the same. Use whatever feels faster for you. Before adding content, set the structure. Click Layouts to add a layout to the page. Layouts are pre-built grids that help you organize information into columns. They're perfect for dashboards because they keep related content grouped and easy to scan. If you ever change your mind, you can switch layouts later without losing your content. Next, choose how many columns you want. Think about your audience and the amount of information you plan to display. Fewer columns make each section larger and easier to read, while more columns let you fit more content above the fold. For this example, we'll choose 4 columns. This layout gives you a compact at-a-glance view of multiple widgets without requiring much scrolling. With 4 columns ready, start designing your dashboard. Use headings to label each column so viewers know what they're looking at. Then begin adding elements with the slash command or the toolbar. You can include charts for trends, tables for metrics and status lists, and panels to call out priorities or notes. If you have a lot of related content, consider adding tabs to keep the page tidy while still making everything accessible. The goal is to present your information in a way that's accessible and at your fingertips, just like any good dashboard. Place the most important, time-sensitive items near the top, group related widgets together, and keep labels short and consistent. As you iterate, adjust column widths and reorder blocks so the layout guides the eye naturally from left to right. With a clear structure, the right mix of elements, and thoughtful placement, your Confluence page becomes a true dashboard that helps your team get answers fast and stay aligned.